All right, guys, I want to do a video to show you how to turn in photos of your work to Google Classroom assignments. Okay, please don't email them to me. This is going to be a much easier way for us to keep organized. That way it'll keep pictures with your assignments, and then I'll see pictures with your assignments. So if you're on a tablet or a phone, you'll want the Classroom app. Click on the Classroom app. It'll show you all your classes. Pick the class you're going to go assign to. Down at the bottom here, you'll see these three tabs: Stream, Classwork, People. You'll want to go to Classwork. This is going to show you the assignment. So here's an assignment for today. It's going to tell you when that assignment is due, day and time. If there's a due date on that assignment, you'll go ahead and click on that assignment. And then it says turn in here, and then your work, and then assign. So this is where it's a little tricky. You need to slide this up, okay? It doesn't have that add attachment until you slide that up. Then you're going to click on the add attachment, and then it's going to ask you how you want to add that attachment. You will want to take a photo. If you've already taken a photo, you could insert it, but you'll probably just want to say take a photo. And then it's going to switch to camera view. Then you can take your assignment and get it in focus. Make sure the lighting's good on it. Make sure your name's on the assignment. Which way you put it, landscape or the other way, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure it's a good picture. When you're ready, take it, hit the button, then it's going to take a picture. Then at the very top of the screen, it's going to say okay or retry. If the picture is really blurry, like this picture I just took, it's kind of moving a lot, you might want to retry it and get it to be a good picture. Then when you're done, you're just going to hit OK. If you do this on your phone, if you have an Android, you might have a blue check mark down here that you're going to need to click that button to move on. If you do it on an iPad, it just say something about use photo or something like that. Any way you do it, it's going to look similar. We're going to hit OK. And then what it's going to do is it's going to upload this image to Classroom, and it's going to take a while. You might see this thing spinning for a while. If you're on an iPad, it's just going to show the file name and a bar moving across. Give it a second to post it. Then it's going to show you that assignment up there. If you have multiple pages, if you have 2 or 3 pages of worth of work, just hit add attachment again. It's going to put another attachment onto it. It's going to run through the same process. When it's all good and you like all the pictures, just hit turn in. If you realize that the picture is wrong or you took the wrong assignment, you can click the X button here to get rid of that assignment. But when it's all done, you can just hit turn in. It's going to ask you, do you want an attachment submitted with it? And you can just say yes, turn in. Okay? Then it shows it as turned in on my side. If something gets messed up, you can unsubmit it and then fix it later. Hope that helps you learn how to attach assignments to pictures to your assignments.